Welcome to this Google Backend Developer interview preparation session. In this video, you will get 5 real interview questions with structured answer strategies. Follow the interviewer prompts and structure your response for strong selection outcomes.
Can you walk me through how you design a globally distributed key value store that ensures low read latency across different regions? What are your key design decisions?
To design a global key value store with low read latency, I'd start by partitioning data and replicating it across regions to serve local reads quickly. Writes should be coordinated via a consensus protocol like Paxos or Raft to ensure consistency, accepting some write latency as a trade-off for faster reads. Conflict resolution strategies such as vector clocks or last write wins handle edge cases caused by network partitions. This approach ensures read scalability and low latency worldwide while maintaining strong consistency guarantees where necessary.
Can you explain how you would design and implement an efficient pub by subsystem to handle real time notifications at large scale?
To implement an efficient pub by subsystem for real-time notifications at scale, ID start with a distributed message broker architecture like Kafka or Google Pub by Sub, which scales horizontally. The system should organize messages into topics and partitions for parallelism and throughput. Trade-offs include balancing message ordering guarantees and latency. For edge cases like offline subscribers, ID use durable queues and retries to ensure message delivery. Monitoring metrics and fault tolerance mechanisms are crucial to maintain system reliability and performance under heavy load.
Could you explain what consistent hashing is and how it addresses the problem of adding nodes in distributed caching systems?
Consistent hashing is a technique used in distributed caches to evenly distribute keys among nodes. It hashes both nodes and keys onto a circular hash ring. When a node is added, only a small fraction of keys need to be remapped to the new node instead of all keys as in traditional hashing. This reduces cache invalidation and rebalancing overhead. One trade-off is complexity in implementation and potential load imbalance if nodes are not properly virtualized. Overall, consistent hashing efficiently handles node additions with minimal disruption, improving cache stability and scalability.
Can you explain how you would design a URL shortener system that can scale efficiently to handle 100 million URLs?
To design a URL shortener scaling to 100 million URLs, ID first generate unique short keys using BAS E62 encoding to keep URLs compact. For storage, ID use a distributed key value store to handle high volume and distribute load. Caching frequently accessed URLs improves performance. We must handle collisions with retries and clean up expired links to save space. Trade-offs include eventual consistency versus strict accuracy. This approach balances scalability, performance, and reliability while supporting horizontal growth over time.
Can you explain what gRPC is and why you might prefer it over REST for communication between backend services?
gRPC is a high-performance remote procedure call framework that uses HTTP by 2 for transport and protocol buffers for serialization. I prefer gRPC over REST when I need efficient low-latency communication between backend services, especially in microservices architectures. While gRPC offers strong typing and better support for streaming, it can be more complex to implement and debug compared to REST. For public-facing APIs, REST simplicity and wide support are advantageous. However, for internal service-to-service communication that demands speed and efficiency, gRPC is generally the better choice.
This completes your Google Backend Developer interview preparation set. Practice these answers aloud, refine clarity, and repeat daily for stronger interview performance.